have other beer? Okay. Let's do it other day. Okay. Another friends are coming later. What? Why? Hi guys, my name's Tui. Welcome to another episode of English Arts. Today we are going to look at the difference between another and other. So we can use both other and another to mean one more. Let's start with another. We use another plus singular noun to mean one more. So for example, could you pass me another pen? Means exactly the same as could you pass me one more pen? If we want to use other to mean one more, we need to say the number one. So we need to say the number one plus other plus singular noun. Could you pass me one other pen? Is also the same as could you pass me one more pen? So easy. We use another plus singular noun, or we use the number one plus other plus singular noun to mean one more. We can also use another and other to mean more than one more if we specify the quantity, if we say the quantity. So let's start with another. We can say another plus quantity plus plural noun. For example, another 3 friends are coming soon. If we want to say the same thing using other, we say quantity plus other plus plural noun. So 3 other friends are coming soon, meaning 3 more friends are coming soon. So the important thing is the quantity comes after another, but before other. So far we've seen that both other and another can be used to say one more or to say a specific quantity more. So next we can use another and other to mean different. So we use another plus singular noun to mean a different one. It's too busy here. Let's go to another cafe. Means let's go to a different cafe. We can use other plus plural noun to mean different ones. So for example, it's too busy here. Are there any other cafes near here? Means, are there any different cafes near here? So the next important thing with other and another is what kind of words we can use them with. We can use quantifiers with other, but not with another. So remember, quantifiers are words that tell us how much or how many in some way. So for example, a few, a lot of, plenty of, many, tons of, etc. So we use quantifier plus other plus a plural noun. For example, your boss might tell you there's lots of other things for you to do when you finish that. There's lots of other things for you to do. So we can choose whether or not we want to use a quantifier with other. We could say the same thing without a quantifier. There's other things for you to do when you finish that. So it's our choice. We can add a quantifier if we want. We can also use the or possessive adjectives with other but not with another. So remember, a possessive adjective is a word that shows that something belongs to someone. For example, my, your, their, our, etc. So we can use the or possessive adjective plus other plus singular noun to mean the second of two known items. So for example, I have two drinks. One is in my hand and the other one is on the shelf behind me. The other one, the other drink, is on the shelf behind me. We could use the or possessive adjective plus other plus a plural noun to talk about the remainder of a group. So for example, two of my friends are with me now and my other friends will join us later. The rest of my friends, the rest of the group, the remainder of the group will join us later. Okay, so guys, we've gotten to our last point. Yay, we're so close, so close. So in all of our previous examples, we used another or other with a noun. So for example, remember, can you pass me another pen? Another plus noun. But we can also use other and another instead of a noun. So instead of saying, do you want another drink? I could just say, do you want another? But only if it's clear what we're talking about. Only if the context makes it obvious that another means another drink. The same with other. So instead of saying my other friends are coming soon, I could just say the others are coming soon. As long as, again, the context is clear, as long as you know that I mean my friends, my other friends. And that's it, guys. You made it to the end of other and another. Let's do a quick, easy revision. So remember, we can use another plus singular to mean one more, or we can use the number one plus other plus singular to also mean one more. We can also use other and another to mean a specific quantity more if we include the quantity. So we say another plus quantity plus plural to say a specific quantity more, or we use a quantity plus other plus plural. So remember, the quantity goes after another and before other. We also use other and another to mean different. So remember, another plus singular to mean a different one, or other plus plural to mean different ones. And finally, remembering that we can use quantifiers, the, and possessive adjectives with other only, not with another. We cannot say I want the another pen, or I want some another pen, or what I want my another pen. We can only use these types of words with other. Guys, thanks for watching my lesson again. Subscribe to my channel, again, only if you want, but please also subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time.